the place that keeps pulling us back. This is actually our second trip here, and definitely not our last. The first time was after a Labor Day snowstorm when we were staying in Cody, Wyoming. This time we were set up at camp right inside the park, and wow, what a difference.
Landed at Gros Ventre Campground, tucked into the sagebrush with the Tetons towering in the distance, quiet and clean. The perfect place to settle in. That first night, we fired up a campfire, roasted some hot dogs, Grizzly approved, of course, and started to relax. And then, the sunrise at Schwabacher Landing. Alarm set for 4 a.m. We thought we'd be the only crazy ones out there. Nope, apparently 100 other people had the same idea. We squeezed into one of the last parking spots and hustled to the riverbank. When the sun finally lit up the Tetons, the peaks glowed fiery orange. The smoke from the fire painted them with an otherworldly red hue. It was pure magic. With camp set, it was time for the Scenic Loop Drive.
Snake River Overlook, Oxbow Bend, Mormon Row, the classics. And here's the thing, no matter how many pictures you've seen, nothing compares to standing there in person. Cameras clicked, memory cards filled, and we chased that perfect postcard shot. Jenny Lake holds a special designation by the USGS as one of the most pristine lakes in the country. Next stop, a boat ride across Jenny Lake, a hike up to Inspiration Point. The trail was gorgeous until nature reminded us who's boss.
A full-on Rocky Mountain thunderstorm hit. Rain, wind, even hail. We scrambled down the trail laughing the whole way and huddled at the dock soaked to the bone. But halfway across the lake, sunshine, blue skies, just like that. Welcome to mountain weather.